In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in WordPress using the free version of Elementor. This is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and engaging. And the great news is, it's straightforward and cost-free. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to wordpress.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, taking you to the main WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button. This is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. Once logged in, it's time to head over to the WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your site. Here, you'll see various options like managing your posts, checking site statistics, and more. The dashboard is designed to give you control over almost every aspect of your site. Now, decide whether you want to add your slider to a post or a page. For those who are unfamiliar, pages are generally used for static content, like your About or Contact pages, while posts are typically for blog entries. Click on either Posts or Pages in the dashboard menu, depending on where you'd like the slider to appear. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a list of existing posts or pages. Click on the specific one you want to edit. This action will open up the editing interface for that particular post or page. Now comes the exciting part, adding the slider using Elementor. Look for the option to Edit with Elementor and click on it. Elementor is a powerful drag-and-drop editor that allows you to make visually appealing changes without writing a single line of code. Within Elementor, you'll find an Add Elements button on the screen. This button enables you to incorporate various widgets and features into your post or page. Click on Add Elements to open up a library of widgets. In the search bar of this library, type in Slider. This search will bring up the Slider widget, which is perfect for displaying multiple images or content in a rotating fashion. Once you find the slider, drag it onto your page. There you have it. You've successfully added a slider to your WordPress site using Elementor. Take some time to customize the slider by adjusting the settings to fit the design and functionality you desire. This might include changing the images, adjusting the transition speed, or even the slider's size. That's all for today. You've just learned how to effectively add a slider to your WordPress site without spending a dime. If this guide was helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials on mastering your website's design. Thank you for watching and happy website building!